Hi. On today's episode of the Summer of Mukbang on N Media, I've got these extra cheesy pizza Lunchables. I don't think this is the one done by the YouTubers. I just don't think these were available in Canada for quite a while. And now they are. So let's get into it. Welcome back to the Summer of Mukbang on N Media.
You are now watching the Summer of Mukbang on N Media.
Yeah, I don't know. Let's get into it. There's cheese in here. There's two kinds of cheese. This is a bad way to film this. There's two kinds of cheese. There's the pizza crust that you put it on. There's the sauce under here. And a little Kinder Mini for a little dessert. Okay, so let's try to make this. I should probably raise it up, right? So like you can see it. Yeah. Okay. Tear the package. First one. Oh, didn't cut open. There we go. There it is. Let's fucking go! Like that. Move the sauce around a bit. Something like that. Do a little bit of this white cheese. A little bit of the white. A little bit of this yellow cheese. I don't know if you're supposed to warm it up or not. It doesn't look like it on the package. It looks like unwarmed cheese. So that's how I'm going to eat it. So here it is. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Make another one here. The sauce is very sweet. I don't know if I would call it like a pizza sauce at all. There's going to be a lot of cheese on this last one. Is tomato sauce usually sweet? Or a pizza sauce, I should say? I don't think it is. This is just like a sweet tomato sauce. It's for kids. Here's another one. I wish I had something to drink. I'll be right back. I got these recently. Grapefruit 7-Up no sugar. They're really good. Excuse me. Let's make this last one. I'm just putting the rest of everything that I have here on it. How do I get this cheese out? Yeah. Genius. Just like that. All of the cheese is going on this time. Oh, there's too much stuff on this. It is called extra cheese. And this one, this one's extra cheesy. Let's fucking go. I mean, what's there to really say about that? Maybe the Kinder will pull it all together? I doubt it. Not really. Lunchables. Extra cheesy pizza. I was going to give it a 9, but the Kinder kind of brought it back 1 point, so it gets 10 out of 16 ampersands. It's not the best. Don't buy this for your children. What are you doing? Anyways, you can email us at endmediamail@gmail.com. Don't forget to comment and share. And until next time, bye.
End Media.